Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus Adobe Audition and find out which audio editor is better in 2025. If you're into podcasting, music production, or audio editing, this quick guide will help you choose. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It covers recording, basic editing, and effects without costing a dime. For podcasters, hobbyists, or students, it's perfect for getting started. However, its interface feels a bit dated, and advanced features like multi-track editing or AI tools are limited. Adobe Audition, on the other hand, is a professional-grade audio editor. It offers multi-track mixing, noise reduction, AI-assisted editing, and seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. It's ideal for professionals who need precise control and advanced features, but it comes with a subscription cost. The choice depends on your needs. Audacity is great if you want free, simple editing. Audition is best if you need powerful tools and professional quality audio. So that's Audacity versus Adobe Audition in 2025. For beginners and budget-conscious creators, Audacity is solid. For professional editors and creators wanting full control, Adobe Audition is the better pick. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.